When a challenge comes your way without warning, what do you do? When life places something in front of you that you didn't cause, didn't choose, and never expected, how do you face it? The truth is, life isn't always smooth. Some of you right now are living through the hardest season of your life. There will be times filled with struggle. There will be times of deep pain. And the real question is, how will you respond? Life is tough, easy. That's never an option, but it's always worth fighting for. It's worth believing. It's worth giving yourself a chance. It's worth pulling yourself together, standing tall and refusing to quit. It's worth holding on, pushing forward, and never backing down. You can overcome. Yes, you can. The problems we face bring stress, fear, and anxiety. But even in the toughest battle, remember this: it's not about what's happening around you. It's about what's happening inside of you. Feeling fear doesn't mean you have to live in fear. Feeling discouraged doesn't mean you have to stay discouraged. Having doubt doesn't mean doubt has to control you. Every word that comes out of your mouth tells a story. I can't do this. I'm finished. My marriage won't survive. My business won't recover. I've made too many mistakes. I'm a failure. Nobody can help me. I've gone too far. But don't you see, those words are like a death sentence. And the more you keep saying them, the more they shape your reality. That's why, when dark thoughts try to take over, you must replace them with words of life. When you feel broken, anxious, or abandoned, you declare, I'm still here. I'm getting back up. I'm not done yet. I'll rise again. Remember, even if you fall 7 times, you can stand up 8. Never surrender. Never give in, because talent alone won't carry you through every storm. Speed, skills, or strength won't give you mental toughness. But pain. Pain is never forever. It will pass. You are stronger than what you're going through. You are greater than your suffering. Think back. This isn't the first time you've cried. It's not the first time you felt lost. It's not the first time you didn't see a way forward. It's not the first time your heart was shattered, your pockets were empty, or your health report scared you. You've faced hardship before, and you're still standing. So tell yourself, this storm will pass. I will survive. I will not quit. Inside every burden there sits a hidden blessing. If I keep going, I will win. I will rise. I will stand. I will move forward. And every person who doubted me, every person who tried to break me, I will prove them wrong. Because at the end of the day, success comes down to one thing: showing up. Even if you have nothing left to give, just show up again. Yes, life is full of struggle, but don't give up. Don't give in. Push through it. If you can endure the pain, if you can work through the hardship, I promise you, there's a reward waiting on the other side. Pain is temporary. It does not last forever.